सभी को नमस्ते. Welcome you all to the new episode of Thoughtful Leaders named as Thoughts on Education, initiated by collegedunia.com. And today I have with me some special guest with me, Professor Dr. KP Yadav sir, Vice Chancellor, Sangam University. Welcome sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Ji sir. Sir, I will start with a brief introduction of yours. Sir is now serving as Vice Chancellor, Sangam University, Bhilwara. He is the Margdarshak of All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, RTU Kota, Hindi Sahitya Bharati, Rajasthan. Talking professionally, you are BTech, PGDBM, MTech, PhD, and postdoctorate DSc in Computer Engineering. With more than 24 years of experience in teaching, research, administration, industry, you were the director for 8 years in different institutes at NCR. And before joining here, you worked as a Vice Chancellor in MATS University, Raipur. Welcome to the show, sir. Looking forward for a healthy and positive discussion with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ji, sir. Sir, I will start now with the question, sir. Sir, my first question to you is, what is your philosophy of leadership, sir?
Sir, my philosophy of leadership is not only create the followers. I would like to create the leaders. A good leader must abreast of knowledge and skills, which is a necessity for a leader. A good leader never exposes shortcomings. Instead of that, he takes responsibility for the team. And having the strong belief in yourself and always take the responsibility in its own.
Great, sir. Great. So, what all extracurricular activities we have in the college for the enhancement of skills and talent of students, sir?
Sir, we have multiple social responsibilities, extracurricular activities in the university. For the sake of that, we have created 7 clubs.
Okay.
Social club, entrepreneurship club, literary club, drama club, sports club, cultural club, fine arts club. These are the few. In addition to this, activities like robotics, dance, community services, arts and craft, volunteering, quiz, animation, fashion, and robotics like activities are also conducting in semester-wise time to time. And we have planned curriculum and timetable for it for all the students.
So, sir, seeing on the fields you just named, sir, you just covered all the things, including the cultural part, including the technical part, including the sports part, which is very essential and very good for students coming to your university, sir. And talking
Yes, sir.
about one part which I literally liked, which many of the universities don't like, is fashion. So, sir, that's so
Actually,
that
earlier when I was in the Maths University, there was a fashion technology department. That's
okay,
why I have pivoted here also. There's a fashion also because these days it is a requirement here. And I think what you call some experts are coming from Mumbai in the last few years. We have some
okay,
resorts here. They're already even in our university. One small movie was I think created here last 2 years
okay,
back. So our students have the enthusiasm. Even one of the students have created the I think shooting setting of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. So
okay.
yeah, so that's why we are very much interested for the sake of that. And we also have the fashion and interior graphics activities because these days vocational courses are also included. So as a vocational course, we are running as a fashion and fashion technology.
So the students watching this will be analyzing that Sangam University is not only giving the options you can choose the different fields, but also providing the platform to overshow yourself.
Sir, right, sir.
Yes, sir. So my next question is, sir, highly competitive world. How you guide students to survive in such a scenario, sir?
This is a pandemic era, especially from the last 6 months around. First of all, we have transformed ourselves into the digital transformation. Then strengthen our core values like the teaching, practical knowledge, like that, and develop a strong bridge between what we teach teach application and the practices, because students mostly lacks in the practical knowledge. So that's why we have reduced this gap through the remedial classes, through the extra classes, and like that, and through virtual laboratories. We have created in the institutes virtual labs, and our faculty staffs have been trained for that, and they are given training to the students time to time, and along with the online classes, they are giving to the same thing. Even our professors, including me, we are taking the classes of the foreign national institutions like the South Africa, Oman, and some other countries like that. We have the 6 or 7 MOUs with the foreign institutions and universities. So in the online, it is very easy for us to teach their students, and professors of that universities, they are teaching our students. So it is a very, I think, good opportunity for us. That's it.
Yes. So was it easy for the teachers of Sangam University to adjust in this online education part? Means were they suitable? Were they adjusting to the training and all?
It's very easy to teach the online courses, because they are creating the e-learning materials, e-books, and so that's why they are teaching like that. And students and teaching, they enjoy the online teaching these days. Even you can say which students, especially in the research or in PG classes, who were not attending the regular classes, now they are attending the classes because they are in their homes, and it's very easy.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Mode of classes, even timing of the classes, we have changed from not only 9 to 5. Even some evening classes are there when the students are much free by 7 p.m. or Sunday also. It's very easy to conduct their classes. So attendance is much better than the regular classes now. So they are hopefully they are enjoying like that.
So their feedback might be also very good, that they just want to continue with online education rather than offline.
Even especially researchers, PhDs and postdoctorate students are saying, sir, it should be continued throughout their course. So their structure of the course, 3 year, 2 year, whatever is their planning, that is they want. Yes.
So my next question is, what about the placements of the college over the past year? And apart from placements, where the Sangam University focuses on learning or placements? Because many a times it happens that the good students also didn't get placed. So the learning which Sangam University gives is much prioritized, or the placements?
Sir, we focus on the both part. If anyone wants a job, suppose for a livelihood or anything, Sangam University is backed by the Sangam India Limited. We have around more than 3,000 crores annual turnover of that group. So we never find such a student who came to me and I don't have a place to place him. I have always a place if anyone wants a job. But instead of that, we want to create the job creator, entrepreneurs. Our focus is much on the entrepreneurs. Even that big companies like Byju's, TCS, Accenture, S&P Global, these are the major recruiters. Our average, you can say the highest package of the last year is 10 lakhs per annum, and the average package is around 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. So we can say this time, even in this era of this COVID-19, our placement is 100%. No student is if he wants the job, I have the job immediately, joining from today onwards. There is no problem at all.
And after post-COVID situations also, sir?
Oh yeah, because this is university is 100% backed by the group, and group is having the, I think, 6 you can say 6 plants here in the Bhilwara itself. So we never find any difficulty in placement. Even you can say Wardha plant is there, in some opportunity in Mumbai also, some Ajmer also, and this group is having around 11,000 employees. In addition to the university. So placement is never a problem. Anybody joins here, I would like to say, never think about the placement.
You just dedicate. You just show your interest and dedication.
Create the IAS, IPS much better instead of giving the placement. But anybody like to get the job, then always having a scope of it.
So this is the best part. I would like to tell my viewers who
will be watching this is the best part of it.
That the institute itself is backed by the same industry, operated by the same group, and you can just do the study there also, and after that you can have the job there also. So this is the best part, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So my next question, sir. What are the greatest strengths you think about Sangam University, sir?
Sir, learning how to integrate technology in teaching, including the theoretical subjects. They enjoy online mode of teaching as it's well planner. Are you asking about strength?
Strengths. Yes, sir.
Strength. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Our strength is a placement, qualified faculty, mentoring system. We have mentoring system also here.
Okay.
Sangam Group provides through its trust around 45 to 50 lakhs scholarship per annum. That is, scholarship is
Okay.
another area. In addition to the government, that is only from the trust around 45-50 lakhs. Industrial support is always there. A strong organizational culture is here. CSR activities, we have taken few villages, adopted few villages as the CSR part, and internship in the food organizations, food industry exposure is given to the all students.
Okay. So what about the economically weak people? Means after pandemic situation, do we have some special initiatives for the economically weak people?
Sir, this time, if anyone comes to us, we support through our scholarships from the Sangam Trust, Sangam India Trust. If the
Okay.
trust, if the student does not get the proper amount from there, then university also provides some 5 to 10% again scholarship by that purpose. Our motto is to spread the knowledge. Our trust is totally 100% to say to support the poor people or people who cannot afford the higher education. That's why we all are doing service cause to the nation to improve the nation, the society, instead of generating the money here.
So I would like to tell my viewers that it is surely possible that we will not be going to other states now for admissions and all. We'll be just looking out. If we are in Rajasthan, I will be looking out that I get a best college in Rajasthan only due to pandemic. So
Yes, sir.
Sangam University, talking about scholarship you can get here, talking about extracurricular activities you have here, talking about study, talking about dedication, and talking about placement. I mean, what else you need? I don't know. Means if I would be here to just see you, I would have just straight away joined the Sangam University.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Ji,
much.
sir. So, in your opinion, which fields or streams or technologies will become post-COVID superpowers? Because that is very important to be known by the students too in just choosing the branches, choosing the streams. Sir.
Due to the COVID or pandemic era, most of the students are choosing the agriculture because it is the forever field, forever you can say every time available, every time having a scope, especially in India. You know, around 55% to 60% population of the country are engaged in the this rural area, stay in the rural area. That's why agriculture sector is growing very high day by day. In our university also, we are running such courses. In addition to that, technological courses like the computer science and engineering, automation, IT department, we take in IT, and computer application like the BCA and MCAs. In addition to that, electrical electronics where automation is there. These areas, especially like the robotics, machine learning, and these the focusing latest technologies areas are emerging as a new one, and we are also focusing to the students and giving them chance to work here. And like the big data analysis of that, like that, these are the two area. Even we have the strategic leadership during the this changing situations like that. As a part of the management students, we are giving special training to them how we can handle such a situations. Even we have started the research PhD on that topics also. To even you can like to say our SP of this Bhilwara, police superintendent of police, who is pursuing PhD under us here in the university. She has chosen such type of topic like that. So we are focusing on that.
Sir, to this point, I would like to take 2 points from you and I would like to tell our viewers that earlier, which we used to think the agriculture part is becoming a core part now for the selectors, and the second part is, as we know, this era is the era of data science, data analytics, and your college is offering it, which is a very good path, sir. Sir,
Yes,
at last, sir, it was a very healthy interaction, sir, very positive interaction, and I can feel interacting with you that it was not like talking with vice chancellor or somewhat like that. It was a very healthy environment, and I'm assuming that the same environment you keep with all the students, all the teachers in the college. Sir, my last part. Any message you would like to give to the aspiring students who want to join your college, sir?
yes, sir. I would like to say that their future is secured through our strategic planning and placement activities, placement strategies. Latest teaching learning pedagogy we are using, so it is very convenient to the all, and developing the entrepreneurs instead of the job seekers. Uh, with these words, I would like to suggest each and everyone who is finding difficulty in anywhere or in any place, he or she may can join with the Sangam University, and our doors are always open to each and everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for the healthy interaction. And it was like just 2 minutes you messaged me, and we had just in an half an hour we are interacting. It was great from your side. Thank you so much, sir. At last, I would just quote your points only. Let not be job seekers. Let's us become
Job
entrepreneurs.
entrepreneurs, job
Yeah,
creators, job creators.
yeah, job creators. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for joining, sir. Thank you for your
Thank you.
precious time.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.